Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do this spring inspired peachy pink makeup look. And it's been really fun that I tried some new products, new brands for this makeup look. And I think it's super easy for you guys to apply. And I love this look for every day and I hope you enjoy it too. Keep watching. Okay guys, let's start. So the first step, I'm gonna prepare my skin with Paula's Choice. So this is the product I'm gonna use for skin preparation. It's Omega Plus Complex Serum from Paula's Choice, and it's a serum that's lightweight and very moisturizing. It keeps my skin moisturized for the whole day. And I always use a little bit, just massage into my skin. Like this. BareMinerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. My shade is Buttercream 03 and it's tinted moisturizing. Also used an oval brush to apply tinted moisturizer. What's wrong with me today? So I received this product from Estee Lauder. It's their double wear stay in place makeup. This is the foundation and this is my shade Ivory Beige. I did a quiz online and they figured out which shade is perfect for me, and this is very intelligent. I love it. Just tiny little bit. I want my finish to be super sheer and nothing too heavy. I mean, it's for spring. I just gonna focus on my under eye. I love the texture. It's almost like a moisturizer, you know, it feels good on the skin. It's not too heavy. My skin can still breathe. And I think it's done. What do you think? All Nighter Urban Decay is the setting powder. Waterproof setting powder. This is the package. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is use a large white brush from Anisa. I've been loving this brush. They are doing like great brushes for both skincare and makeup. And I'm gonna use this brush and focus on my under eye. Okay. So for the setting powder, I'll be focusing again for my under eye. I think I don't need any concealers today. Skin just good. Okay, it's done. Let's move on to the brows. And I just got this brow pencil in my mail, and then it's called PYT POV brow pencil, and the shade is I think it's like dark brown. Let's see. So it's like the head is like this, because I did microblading and it's very easy to do my everyday brow. Just fill in. The color is pretty nice, you see? Pretty close to my natural hair's color, and then I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna do a little bit longer than usual. I just feel like a longer brow today. I'm gonna do the other side. Just to brush it, to blend it in, to make it more natural. These are my brows. I'm not gonna do anything more. I'm very happy with it. And so for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna try this product from RealHer. It's Do Your Squats. I like their shade. You see, it's like very natural, but I'll be focusing on those lighter shades for a spring look. So I'm gonna start with a light driven, this one. Okay, just to make it this is my base. Something light. So it'll be ready for me to layer more colors. So the next one, I'm gonna try this Dazzling. I'm gonna use the mirror. Oops. I think it's a little bit too, yeah, not bad. I like it. Clean brush to blend all the colors. The pigmentation is really good. It's so easy to use. I love this palette. So here's the interesting part. I'm gonna use this face palette. Actually, it's like a colorful peachy blush for my eyeshadow. It's from Anisa called Limited Makeup Palette Mini on my eyelids. And I'm gonna use this light pink here, okay, and just put it over the color that I used before. Probably I couldn't find a nice highly pigmented pink in other palette. Why not just use this blush? That's it. I'm gonna use a flat angled brush for my under eye. So I use this yellow. I'm gonna do my inner corner first. It's really fun. You see, it's just like a tiny shade, tiny little bit yellowish under my eye. So this is another product from RealHer. It's called Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio for all three. I start with the browner. Okay, so it's gonna be spring-ish. It's not gonna be too dark. Just a little bit contour here and there. You see, you just add tiny little bit color here, and also you can do here if you want. So round cheek. If you don't contour your nose a little bit like what I did, you can just use the brush like this and then add a little bit color. Just tiny little bit. I don't want to look too crazy, you know. Still it's me. Definition of the nose. A wider brush because I'm gonna do a lot of blush. Here's a wide brush. When it's blushed, it looks a lot more springish, warmer tone. Everything is pretty. I want it to be glowy, but not like too much, you know, it's not like a bulb. Kind of like the bridge. This is stick from Lauder Mercier, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more shine to my eyes. And for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use Tilbury, the FELINE Flick. I'm gonna curl my lashes with Lauder Mercier curler, and this curler has been working really good with my tiny Asian lashes. Make sure all the tiny little hair is covered. For the mascara, I'm gonna try this one. It's from Estee Lauder. This package is so cute. I'm gonna use the small brush first. And it's pretty easy to layer. I usually apply a couple layers, but I apply the second layer when the first layer is not like fully dry. I'm gonna put lipsticks, but it's not just one lipstick. This color is so sassy from RealHer. I'll show you the color, it's so pretty. Love it. This lipstick is very watery, and I'm so happy with the shade. It's just exactly what I want for this look. So this is my spring inspired peachy pink makeup look, and I put some of the products linked down below, and I hope you guys find it useful, and some are new products that I tried and some of my all-time favorites. I highly recommend it because they're like so easy to apply and very comfortable to wear. So this is the video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.